Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to introduce a feature only on Windows 11, which other versions of Windows do not have. It's translating text into voice. Helps you shorten the time you need to type text. To open the Voice to Text app on Windows 11, you press the Windows plus H key combination, then the app will appear, and there is a message that you need a text box to save the voice. Now, you can open a Word page or create a text file to save. I'll create a text file. To reopen the application, press the Windows plus H key combination again, and it will appear in the application, so you can try to say. For example, what is your name? My name is Ha. Then he turned his voice into text. In order for the app to automatically add sentences when you're drowning, you select this setting icon. This application's voice typing launcher will always be displayed when you tick the choice you will make later. To automatically add a sentence mark, you tick on Enable for this auto punctuation item. I'll turn this off. Again, you click on the microphone. Now, when you're speaking, it automatically adds a sentence when you interrupt it. If you want to translate a voice that is not English but in another language, you need to install an additional keyboard language type for the language you want the voice to be translated into. Now we're going to talk about the voice typing launcher. When you turn off the application, if you open an application that needs to enter text, it will open automatically without you pressing the Windows plus H key combination again. So it's up to you to turn it on or off. So I've taught you how to turn voice into text. If you're installing Windows 10 or later, you can convert voice to text using the Word app. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hello, and see you again.